how to do a forward lunge for a sexy butt. So in this exercise, you're just going to stand with your feet together to start off. We're gonna step forward into your forward lunge, and then we're gonna step back into the same starting position. So you're gonna step forward. I'll start off with my right leg. You're gonna step forward and make sure you step out wide enough so that you have space to drop that knee straight down to the floor, and then pick it right back up and step back. So it's gonna look like this. So you come straight down in that lunge and then push it all the way back. So what we're focusing here on is really digging through that heel, the front heel, just so that, again, you really wanna focus on targeting that glute. So it's really gonna focus on whatever leg is forward. So you wanna sit low in that lunge. That back leg almost touches the floor. Don't really touch the floor, almost touch the floor. Still focusing on digging through that heel as much as you can. And then as you push back into that starting position, you're still pressing through that heel, bring it all the way back. So again, you're gonna lunge straight down, press through that heel, keep the weight there, push it all the way back. And you can alternate legs. You can do, your right side, then back, then your left side, and then back, or you can burn out one muscle and then the other. So you can start off with 10 on this side, burning out the right glute, and then 10 on the other side, burning out the left glute. So once again, you're gonna start off in the starting position here with your feet together, stepping forward into your lunge, sitting straight down in your lunge, keeping the weight in the heel, in the front heel, all the way down, and then pushing it back through that heel. Make sure it's always focusing on that heel. That's how you get that sexy butt. All the way down and back. Down and back.